most ridiculous reason someone tried to break up with you? Okay, so I was dating this guy, Mark, for like 6 months. Things were great, or so I thought. We just cooked dinner together at my place, laughing and having a good time. Suddenly, he gets this super serious look on his face. He clears his throat and says, "I just don't think this is going to work out." I was completely blindsided, like, what even happened? He then proceeds to tell me, with a straight face, that he couldn't be with me because, wait for it, my dog snored too loud. My chihuahua, mind you. I burst out laughing, thinking he was joking. He wasn't. He was genuinely upset that my tiny dog's gentle snores were apparently ruining his sleep, even though my dog sleeps in his own bed. I told him he was insane, and honestly, it saved me from a future with someone that ridiculous.